Gold paint, how much should you really spend? Cheap ones look dull, expensive ones sometimes chip off. And honestly, most spray gold paints don't even give that rich, mirror-like shine people want. The truth is, the best gold finish often doesn't come from a can at all. Product number 1, Pagather Chrome Paint Markers. If you're working on small, detailed projects like jewelry, model cars, or wheel touch-ups, these Pagather Chrome markers are a steal at under $9. You get 3 fine-tip pens that deliver a real mirror-like gold finish, not just glittery paint. They're waterproof, UV-resistant, and work on plastic, metal, glass, even stone. I used them to fix scratches on a brass lamp, and honestly, it looked brand new. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Unlike spray paint, these give you total control. No overspray, no masking tape disasters, just precise lines and full coverage in one pass. Each pen holds more ink than it looks, and the valve system keeps flow smooth without clogging. Over 1,000 bought last month shows people are using them for everything from phone cases to guitar picks. Now, some people complained about inconsistent flow if you don't shake them enough. Here's the thing though, just twist the cap 10-15 times before each use and it works perfectly. It's not rocket science, but it's easy to forget if you're in a rush. This is perfect for you if you're into DIY repairs, customizing small items, or doing intricate artwork. Skip this one if you're painting large surfaces like furniture or walls. These are built for detail, not coverage. For the price, it's insane value. Product number 2, GOTIDAL 24K Acrylic Paint. Alright, that marker was great for details, but what if you need to cover a canvas or wooden sign? That's where this GOTIDAL 24K metallic acrylic comes in. At $10.28 for 120 ml, it's artist-grade, non-toxic, and loaded with rich pigments that don't fade. It's water-based, so cleanup is easy, and it dries fast without cracking. It's AP and ASTM certified, meaning it's safe for kids but strong enough for pros. The gloss finish gives that luxurious gold look without needing 5 coats. I tested it on canvas, clay, and even fabric. Each time it held up with 0 bleeding or dulling. Plus, the tube is labeled with pigment info, so you know exactly what you're getting. Now, some people complained it's too thick straight out of the tube. Here's the thing though, just add a few drops of water and mix. It blends beautifully once you tweak the consistency. Don't expect spray can smoothness, but for brush work, it's top tier. This is perfect for you if you're painting canvases, murals, or handmade gifts. Skip this one if you need ultra gloss mirror shine. This is more of a rich metallic, not chrome level reflective. Still, for art and crafts, it's a solid win. Product number 3, VGSEBA Gold Leaf Paint. Now, if GOTIDAL was rich but glossy, this VGSEBA paint goes in a different direction, matte metallic. At $12.86 for 100 ml, it's slightly pricier, but the matte finish gives a soft, elegant gold that doesn't scream bling. It's non-toxic, water-based, and works on paper, moss, wood, even fabric. Sometimes, a subtle gold accent on a wedding invitation or a clay sculpture looks better without glare. This paint gives that refined, antique-like glow. I used it on a picture frame and it looked like real gold leaf just without the hassle or cost. It layers well too. 2 coats gave full opacity without cracking. Now, some people complain the color leans slightly yellow instead of true gold. Here's the thing though, it depends on the lighting. In warm indoor light, it looks rich and warm. In direct sun, it can appear brighter. If you need cool toned gold, this might not be it. This is perfect for you if you're doing delicate crafts, home decor, or anything where subtlety matters. Skip this one if you want high gloss or mirror effects. This is all about soft elegance. For the volume and quality, it's a fair deal. Product number 4, YIJAI alcohol-based gold paint. Alright, that last one was soft, this one's bold. YIJAI's alcohol-based gold paint is only 1 FL Oz, but it packs a punch. At $12.86, it's concentrated, fast-drying, and can even be used with spray guns. Made with German pigments, it blends seamlessly and resists fading. I used it on a resin coaster and it cured smooth and glass-like. It also works great for airbrushing small details or mixing into epoxy. The built-in brush is a nice touch, no bristles clumping or drying mid-project. Now, some people complained about strong fumes. Here's the thing though, use it in a ventilated area or with a mask. It's not worse than spray paint, but it's not odorless like acrylics. Also, at just 30 ml, it won't last long on big projects. This is perfect for you if you're into resin art, miniatures, or need a quick dry metallic finish. Skip this one if you're painting large areas or hate strong smells. For precision work though, it's a hidden gem. Product number 5, Muvcal 35 Oz Liquid Gold Paint. Now if the last few were small bottle specialists, this Muvcal paint is the heavyweight. At $32.16 for a full 35 FL Oz, it's built for big jobs, furniture, wall accents, large sculptures. It's non-toxic, low odor, and gives a high-gloss, durable finish that resists tarnishing. I painted an old side table and 2 thin coats gave a luxurious, even shine. It's like liquid gold leaf without the fragility. Plus, it works indoors and outdoors, so you can use it on garden decor too. Now, some people complained it takes longer to dry between coats. Here's the thing though, that's normal for high pigment, thick formulas. Just wait 20-30 minutes and you'll get that deep, reflective finish. Rushing it causes smudges. This is perfect for you if you're refinishing furniture, doing home decor, or need bulk gold paint. Skip this one if you only need tiny amounts. It's overkill for small crafts. But for value and coverage, this is the best bang for your buck. So which one's best? For tiny details, go Pagether. For art and canvas, GOTIDA. Want soft elegance, VGSEBA. Needs speed and precision, EJR. But if you're covering big surfaces and want real luxury, Muvcal wins. None are sprays, but honestly, they give better results than most gold spray paints out there.